Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time I have got Fabfitfun and it's their fall box. This is what it looks like. Massive box. So as always, if you're new to Fabfitfun, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose and what I received in this season's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. So Fabfitfun is a US beauty subscription. Well, it's not just beauty, it's lifestyle, fashion and jewellery and homeware as well. It's a bit of a mixture subscription box. It comes out seasonally, so it comes out 4 times a year. So the cost of the box is $49.99. If you're in the US, I believe there's free shipping. So shipping to the UK is $10 plus taxes are around $7. So you're looking at roughly around £64. It is way above the cost of my normal subscription boxes, but do I think it is worth it? So far, yes, I do, definitely. They say the value of the box always comes to at least $200 or more. Last month's was like $400 odd, so massive, you know, savings, great value for money. Plus you get to customize your products as well, so you do have an idea of what products you will be getting. Your subscription will automatically renew unless you cancel, and you can cancel any time. So say for instance you fancy taking out the subscription and you take it out a couple of weeks after the box has been released, that box may have sold out, so you will get what's known as an editor's box. So you will get a different type of box to what the main season box is, but it'll still be the same cost, it'll still have the same value, but it just means you might receive a mixture of products from different boxes and you still get to customize to it to a certain extent as well. Once you receive that, you're in the system, so when the next box comes along, which I believe is winter, you will have the same winter box as everyone else that is subscribed to Fabfitfun. With the very first box you take out, you have full customization, which means you get to choose, I believe, is it 4 or 6 products? Pages come up and you see 3 or 4 products and you get to choose which one you'd like. Then it goes to the next page, you get to choose 1 out of 4, and it goes on like that. So you have an idea of the products you receive in. In each box you get around, I'd say about 8 products. I choose 6 of them because I'm an annual subscriber, so now I get full customization. But if you just take out a season by season subscription, then the first one you get full customization, but then the boxes after that, I think you get to choose, is it 3 or 4? I'm not too sure. Please tell me down below. I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, please ask me and I'll try and answer it, or tell me in the comments if I've missed out any vital information about the subscription. But I do have a refer a friend code. It entitles you to $10 off your first box. That will be listed down in the description, as well as links to this box. So underneath this video, see show more, if you click that, that'll bring up the description and all details and links and codes and everything would be listed down there. So let's open it up and see what I got inside. Oh, I love these boxes. The box designs are so pretty, really pretty. Ah, they are massive. Can you see that? Obviously, I remember some of the items I've chosen, but there's some that I can't even think what I did. There was a few issues, which I'll tell you a little bit about as well. Ooh, they're all hidden. They're all hidden. Can you see there? Some things hidden underneath there. So just put this down to the side of me. There were some issues with my customization. Initially I went to choose a pair of straighteners. I was really excited to receive them, but then I had an email saying unfortunately they aren't able to send them to me because not suitable to be sent to the UK. So I had to choose something else. Then another option I had was a teeth whitening kit. But again, I had an email to say that unfortunately they couldn't send that out to me as well. I can't remember why, but I had to choose something else. So that was a bit unfortunate. But anyway, so this is a little magazine that comes with the Fabfitfun box every single month. Be referring to this as we go along to see if there's any extra information. Plus they've got all the prices of all the products that I got here. So I'm able to tot it up to give you the final value at the end. So the first item is a after spa. There's loads of like wormies everywhere here. This is an after spa hair towel. And this is one of the items I do remember choosing. Always wanted to have one of these, but never have bought them. Never have bought one. It's one of those products that you think, you know, it's not really a necessity, because an old towel would do really, isn't it? So I saw it there and I thought, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So how does it work? It's got a little button. Look at this. I put this on my head so that this long dangly thing is hanging down the front. My hair is hanging down the front. I twist this together with my hair, twist it up like that, push this up here, then I attach it like that, just as you would do with a normal towel really, except for attaching it with a button. It's a nicer, neater way of putting your hair up after you've washed it. So yeah, so no, I can't wait to try that actually. It'd be quite handy. It's got a picture there of in a bath at the top. So yeah, I think it'd be quite nice. Next we got a wallet or a purse, and this is cut from the cloth. I don't know if that's the brand. No, wallet, black and white it says. So I chose this. This is one of my customizations. I love black and white. I love stripes. It's just a nice wallet. Yep. Put my money in there. Put my cards in there. It needs some working into it. It is quite stiff. It won't be my everyday wallet because it's a little bit too small. I've got a ton of cards and I don't like them. I don't like having cards like two or three behind each other because it's a nightmare if you're in a shop and you're trying to search for a particular card, like, I don't know, like a Costa Coffee card or something like that. And it's like, where the heck is it? And you're going through them all. So I like to be able to see them all. So I like a bigger wallet so I can see all my cards, so it's just easy to pick out. So this has only got this section there, so a little bit small for me, but this is a type of wallet I would use like to go out for the night or something like that. So no, I really like that. I forgot to tell you the price of that turban. I'll tell you that in a minute. So what's it say about this? So cut from the cloth, slim stripe wallet with 7 credit card slots, an ID window and 1 full-length bill compartment. This wallet is just as functional as it is chic. The recommended retail price for this is $60. And this after spa hair towel wrap. This towel is designed with an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. The recommended retail price for this is $18. Next we got some cubes. I can't remember if I chose this or not. I can't remember. So you choose it a couple of weeks ago, and because it take a little while to ship to the UK, goes out the window, goes out my brain, I should say. So this is Juice Cleanse Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. So they say what they do. Oh, they just look like they're going to be really nice and appley. That's what's going through my mind. Can you see there? Aren't they cool? Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. Oh my gosh, I want to eat them. They just look like sweets. Oh my god, what is it? It's like an apple. Does it say apple? Is that where I got it in my mind? Oh, that is so nice. I want to lick it. Oh. Yeah, it's squidgy. Can you see if I squidge it down a bit? That is lovely, really lovely. I'm not going to eat it. No. Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And the recommended retail price for these is $16. So yeah, very different. Never ever tried anything like that before. And yeah, really nice. Next, I got a gorgeous packaging. What is this? Humankind Skincare with a Conscience, vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. And this is 200 mils. Oh wow. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Humankind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So I think this is an added extra. I don't think I chose this one. I can't remember. I'll have to have a look back on my emails. Oh, it's nice and fresh. Really nice and fresh. It feels nice as well. Very, very lightweight. Humankind Body Souffle. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturised. And the recommended retail price for this is $18. Next, I got a bottle of Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. Oh, it's a face toner. And it's made in Italy, 200 mils. And it just says Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. So there's that. So the recommended retail price for this toner is $30. It says gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. Oh, that sounds perfect. I've got quite a bit of discoloration at the moment. I always have like hyperpigmentation in the summer, even though I'm like factor 50 all the time. But yeah, it's a long story. So I'm trying to like use lots of things and like brightening things and vitamin C and all that. So no, that's sounds quite nice actually, so I'm going to give that a go. See if it helps. So there's that. This is handy. I've never had this before. It actually says mystery choice. So it's telling me what my mystery choice is. And it's in a little bag. I could have opened that much nicer. So what have we got here? Grown Alchemist. Biological Beauty, Detox Night Cream, Peptide 3, Australian certified, toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. You know, so that's what it looks like there. Ooh. Right, because it's a mystery item, it can't give me any information about it. That's all it says, is that it says mystery item, you snooze, you lose. Trust us when we say this mystery will help you maximize those Z's. And it said the value is worth $42 or more. So that's my mystery item. And then next I've got a cosmetics and Pure C vitamin C mixing crystals. This is 6 grams. So a little pot of vitamin C crystals there. So never tried anything like this before. I'm not going to open it up just in case I make a mess. I'll just see what it says in the booklet. Recommended retail price. So this is $54 and it says nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. Oh, I could add it into that night cream and like have a 2-for-1. So yeah, $54. Whoa. Again, I can't remember if I chose that or not. But yeah. Let's see if that'll tackle my hyperpigmentation as well. And lastly, we've got an Aveda product, and this is Damage Remedy, and it's a daily hair repair, and it's a hair cream. So it looks like there. The recommended retail price for this is $30. Infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil and soy, instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. Oh my gosh. So those are all the products. So before I add them all up and everything, I'll just give you a sneak peek of what you could have had or what I could have had. So we got there, that was that teeth whitening kit that they said I couldn't have. Then you got scarf. Then you got the straighteners I couldn't have. I think that's a yoga mat there. We got some kitchen utensils, some beauty products, mystery item. We've got a vanity case. Then we got the wallet. Then we got some earrings. And then you can see I got that, some perfume, some makeup, some whatever that is, salt and pepper. And there's some more on the back here as well. I've got most of these. I've got all of them except for these pads there. Looking at my products, I've got 8 in all. Besides the wallet, they're all beauty, which this is the first time my box has been predominantly beauty products, which is fine. I do like the products that I've been given. There's nothing here that I think, ugh, I don't like or I won't use or anything. I'll try everything, give it a go, but I've got to be honest, and this box hasn't excited me as much as previous boxes because I think I like receiving something a bit different. Like I had the hairdryer last box. In the first box I had some sunglasses and I had an oil diffuser lamp. So something different, isn't it? Because I receive subscription boxes and I receive a lot of beauty products. I love the fact that Fabfitfun is a little bit of everything. So I think for me this month, you know, they're not bad at all, and I'm going to top them all up now, and I expect them to be quite pricey. They seem to be quite high price items, but I would have liked to have the straighteners or something, but I'm not going to go on anymore. No, I'm just going to add them all up and then I'll come back. So 8 items all add up to $214. So way above the cost of what I paid for. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely to give me a big thumbs up, and I'd love to know your thoughts of this box. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth getting it in the UK? Do you think it's good value for money? Do you think the concept is good? Or do you think the complete opposite and you think it's a load of crap? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.